everyone. Until I make some fresh gluten-free bread. I do get this from the Aldi. Unfortunately, it's almost $7. That's ridiculous. That's why we'll be making my own gluten-free bread. This is whole grain. These two pieces just came up. I am going to have some avocado toast. I'm using a light butter. Just so you know, a light butter. Over here's my other two pieces of toast. I'm going to make me an avocado and tomato toast open face sandwiches. That should be good. I might put some balsamic glaze on that though. Anyway, hold on. So basically what I do, that's just a light scrape of light butter, not a whole lot. And then I have this open. Oh, this is going to be good. And you can do a couple of them as open face. I only wanted one tomato this morning. And they're shaped like little hearts. And I know I look like crap. It's Saturday morning when I'm filming this. So this by itself is really, really good. So I might just do avocado toast and chew with tomato. Yeah. Christine, you can eat this. Just use your dairy-free butter. That's always magnificent. And I know most places that do avocado toast, and when they add something extra to it, they don't know how to put flavor together. That balsamic glaze over the tomato, that's super good. Christine, you can actually get a different kind of balsamic glaze, or all of you, on Amazon. If I can link it, I will. Oh my gosh, it's just so good. Put that together as a full sandwich. I was like, oh, I want some avocado toast, but I want something with it. So that's really good. I don't know why this told me it reached its maximum. Anyway, if you can, try it. This is really good. You can even put garlic on this. You could put a garlic aioli. Anyway, that's super good. And it's super healthy. It's gluten-free, soy-free. Except for the butter. It would be dairy-free if it was dairy-free butter. Anyway, stay happy, stay healthy, stay positive, and as always, stay blessed. I'm going to eat the rest of this, and I'll see you in the next one because I'm hangry. Bye.